Let's take a look at the replay action. That left hook was there for the counter all night long. The right uppercut to follow as he just tried to bully Song Pandin to victory. Landing elbows, knees there. The combination 1-2 follow up with the knee. Mung Lao was on fire tonight, putting himself in the winning column. There you see a flash on the chin. Mung Lao with a stellar performance.
Has returned. Chicken head and all, Achilles. This aggressive striker has a orthodox stance, comes out muy blue, likes to... Song Pandin, just 17 years old. He's still a sophomore. Da with the assignment here. This is the world's largest martial arts platform. And winning convincingly gives you the best, largest martial arts organization. Mung Lao about running and catching.
This is definitely a treat here. Song Pandin, as it looks like a team, that's for sure. Looks like a fight.
Song Pandin, as he's facing a very experienced Mung Lao, who's swinging heavy shots. Heavy shots. Tries to win Mung Lao. And that's what he's getting down. Looking to land those big shots. The head of Song Pandin.
He's chipped out, trying to engage in the clinch, trying to make a loads of punches of his own. Right now, just pushing forward, trying to land ending shots from Song Pandin.
Song Pandin's trying to stay tight, but after the exchange, the hands are coming down, and those wild punches from Mung Lao are starting to connect. It looks like Mung Lao is trying to throw a baseball into the upper deck here at Lumpini. Clean 1-2 landed by Song Pandin, and he sneaks it right in. Song Pandin right on the chin of Mung Lao. He pushes out, goes to the separation. Look at that, punches combination. Again with the right hand. Clear stop for Song Pandin here as we get the final seconds of the first. Right there for Mung Lao. Utilize those low kicks. Makes things those low kicks to stop the movement. Song Pandin. What a jab from Song Pandin.
Very nice boxing footwork. Onslaught from Mung Lao.
By Mung Lao. Doesn't want to that big right hand as he swings wildly with the hook. I also like to see him start going down the middle as well.
Elbow attack there from Mung Lao. Song Pandin is relying on that stiff left jab, patrolling the distance, utilizing his reach. Big cleverage shot over the top of Mung Lao as he has Song Pandin on the back foot. The youngster refuses to go away as he fires shots back. Mung Lao.
Sneaky little uppercut. Landed by Mung Lao. Round from Mung Lao here as Song Pandin tries to land the right hand. He rubs him.
Momentarily staggered as these two warriors collide. Back and forth action. High level Muay Thai for these two outstanding athletes from Laos. Getting the upper eight limbs. Song Pandin again with the stiff left jab.
Between these two, Mung Lao continues to walk him down. Lands a big shot to the head of Mung Lao. Push kick caught as Mung Lao continues to hurt the body. And that is what needed. You need to show just how badly you want to make your way to the roster of the world's greatest strikers. Again. Mung Lao fights him again. Looks to be breaking slightly here, Achilles.
Big shot from Mung Lao. Tries to move in with the kill. Shot to go down as Mung Lao pushes forward.
Increase though, it's a safe place for him to be. He needs to be a little bit more active inside that. Song Pandin's getting backed up yet again. Mung Lao continues to walk down the youngster. Inside the clinch, referee criticizes